Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of making rounded corners when you're using the 2-point line and you're going to use the arrow tool. I don't suggest doing that. Well, you could, and then we had to fix it like we did, but that took a few steps. Well, let's just take another 2-point line and just kind of go down at a 45. Then we're going to Control D on the duplicate to duplicate it, and then mirror it, and then grab that node right there and put it right there. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to combine these. And then I'm going to make it that 1/4 inch thick 9. We've got two problems that we don't have rounded lines yet, and we've got a gap right there. But if you'll hit F12 in your keyboard and then make rounded corners, there you go. A lot easier. Now, let's say he didn't want the rounded corners at the end. And just to bring a scenario, I'm going to go to object, convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click, and very easily, without doing too much work, just take a 2-point line, then take your smart fill tool and fill that in and make it black, and you have it like that. I think much easier. Now, different angles, and you could rotate the angles to whatever angle you wanted. It doesn't have to be my magical, I don't even know what that angle would be. I just drew it by hand. Let's just see what that angle is. Let's back up here, give you a little lesson in angle. Use your angle dimension tool and go right there. And I'm really close to 45, just by ballpark. But you could make it 45. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit more, and thank you for watching.